Welcome to this tutorial on how to make a DIY drill machine using PVC pipe and a motor. To make this drill machine, you will need the following equipment: pipe, 40mm pipe sheet, 555 DC motor, drill chuck, 0.3mm scurry or power supply switch, press switch, and toggle switch. Now, let's begin with the process of making the drill machine. Step 1. Take the PVC pipe and check the size of the motor by placing it inside the pipe. Step 2. Take the PVC pipe sheet and cut out a circle based on the size of the pipe. Use a paper crust to make the circle look clear. Step 3. Take 2 circles and joint them with gum. Then make a hole in the center to fix it on the motor. Make 2 more holes on the circles so that we can fix them in the motor using screws. Step 4. Take the wires for the motor and weld them together. Step 5. Take the press switch and make a hole for it in the PVC pipe. Fix the motor in the pipe and attach it through gum. Also, attach the button to the hole through gum. Step 6. Take a DC socket and a toggle switch and attach the toggle switch to the last circle. Remember, we cut 3 circles to cover the pipe, 2 for the motor and 1 for the toggle switch. Attach them in the pipe so they look good. Step 7. Spray paint the pipe with a color of your choice. In this tutorial, we use red on the bottom side. Step 8. Attach the 0.3mm drill chuck to the drill machine. Step 9. Give it power supply. In this tutorial, we used a 12-volt charger to give the supply. Your DIY drill machine is now ready. Test it out and see the results. That concludes our tutorial on how to make a drill machine using PVC pipe and a motor. Remember to always take necessary safety precautions when working with electricity and power tools. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.